Alright, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to get this back window over here tinted up. The back is 0% tint. That window was damaged from hail, so it's a factory 35 I think. So we're gonna go get that zeroed out, and then we're also gonna put some rain visors on all four windows and kind of clean up the look of the truck for right now. Last night, sorry for the dirty garage. Last night I went ahead and threw on, let's see if I can get some light in here. Went and threw on these black Cummins logos right here. And like I said, we're gonna go handle the back window. You can see straight through it, and you can see the passenger window is a 0. So we'll take care of that right now, and then we'll stop at AutoZone and grab the rain visors that I ordered, and then we'll clean up the look of the truck. But for right now, let's get her warmed up. Alright, the truck's all warmed up, so let's go get her tinted out. Not gonna fit through there. Alright. Alright, so like I said, we're going to get that back window tinted. We're leaving now. I'm going to have one of my buddies do it. He's not really fond of the cameras, so I'm not going to film it. But once it's done, I'll let you guys see it, and it'll look a whole lot better, especially because the sides are already pretty well tinted. And no, I didn't put the 0% on there. I'm just keeping it that way because there's a lifetime warranty on all the tint. I got the truck tinted already, and from the previous owner, so I'm just gonna make that match. And it does suck at night, but here we go. Alright, so as you can see, it's a little bit later in the day. I went to get my hair cut, I had to go to the gym, all that stuff, but I wanted to just give you an update on the tint. So I did tint and the visors. I don't know if I completely like the way that they look, but I do like the functionality of them. And then just went and matched the back tint to the side windows. So bear with me, tomorrow's video is going to be a whole run through of everything on the truck, minus the wheels and tires that are on their way in, and the history of the truck, and the hail damage and all that stuff. So I appreciate you guys watching. Press the subscribe button, I'll have more content coming. Sorry for the quality. If you guys have any tips or anything for audio or anything like that, just let me know.